Are these tiny, annoying pests taking over your kitchen? One day there are none, and the next a whole swarm has appeared out of thin air, hovering over your fruit bowl. You swat, you clean, but they just keep coming back. Fruit flies can feel impossible to get rid of, multiplying faster than you can manage. But what if I told you that you could wipe them out almost overnight with a simple, effective trap? Forget expensive sprays. This method uses just 2 ingredients you already have. Let's get your kitchen back. Forget expensive sprays and traps. The solution is likely already in your kitchen cupboard. You just need 2 simple ingredients: apple cider vinegar and a little bit of washing up liquid. This non-toxic combination is incredibly effective, and it all comes down to basic science. The sweet fermented scent of the vinegar is irresistible to fruit flies, luring them in. The soap is the crucial second step. It breaks the liquid surface tension so they can't escape. Step 1, assemble the trap. Take any small jar, glass or bowl, pour in about 1 inch or 2 of apple cider vinegar. You don't need a lot. Step 2, add just a few drops of washing up liquid to the vinegar. Do not stir it, just let the drops sit on the surface. This is the most important part of the trap. Step 3, place the trap. Put your open jar anywhere you see the fruit flies congregating, usually near your fruit bowl, sink or bin. Now just walk away and let it do its magic. The next morning, you'll be amazed at the results. So, how does this simple concoction work so well? It's all about tricking their senses. The fermented scent of the apple cider vinegar perfectly mimics their favorite food source, overripe fruit. This aroma is simply irresistible, luring them in for what they think is a feast. But here's the crucial part, the dish soap. It breaks the surface tension of the liquid, so when they land for a drink, they can't escape. It's a simple, non-toxic and incredibly effective solution. If this simple hack is about to save your sanity, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more genius household solutions. What's your most annoying household pest?